So we are showing different things at TVConnect. We are demonstrating our cloud-based platform, which is also being operated in a service mode. It's called TVAS. We are demonstrating also our new virtual reality concepts and demonstrations, as we are providing some elements of the end-to-end system for virtual reality experiences. We are also showcasing what we call the TV stick or Viaccess, which is a stick device that can be connected to your TV set and basically allows TV operators to provide a best-in-class TV experience on the big screen. And also we are demonstrating more on the security side what we call our multi-DRM capabilities. This is about DRM security solutions which are coming in a multi-DRM fashion, so we are supporting different technologies from third parties and ours. We see different trends right now in the industry. Obviously, cloud is one of them. A lot of technology providers like Viaccess-Orca are putting their solution into the cloud, which is allowing operators, broadcasters, content providers really to operate in a much more flexible way and also reduce the upfront investment that they have to make to put operations in place. We see also a big trend around analytics, which is about getting consumer insights to be more efficient from a marketing standpoint in terms of which content to address which kind of market segment, and also look into something which is being seen maybe as the kind of holy grail of the industry, which is targeted addressable advertising. So we are showcasing, for instance, our analytics dashboard, which allows really operators and content providers, as I say, to really monitor what's happening on the platform and really define the best offering for their consumers. So these are the trends that we are seeing these days in the industry. The big challenge is that first you have to deal with regulation issues. For each country, the regulation about privacy, the way to collect data and the way to operate data is different. So you have to deal with that, and we are very much privacy conscious. Two, you have technical challenges. Obviously, how you collect the information, you need to do that in a standard way. You might collect information from different devices. How can you do that in a kind of standardized way so you can really operate the data and manipulate the data in an efficient way? And then this is not only about big data. I would say that big data is useless if you don't translate it into something which is smart data. The tagline of our company is, it's smarter, it's safer, it's VO. Why? Because we think it's about smart data. So it's really about extracting the right data and being able to display that in a way that is really useful for the industry specialists. So regulation, standardization and technologies, and also converting big data into smart data. If I would know, I would be very rich, I guess, at some point in time. No, we can see trends. I mentioned trends about cloud analytics. We see newcomers and new companies really addressing the TV and video space, which was not the case a few years ago, like Amazon, for instance. So I think we'll see a fragmentation of the market. The traditional pay TV broadcaster will see competition coming from new players, big ones like Netflix, Amazon, but also smaller OTT niche providers. So we'll see, I think, more and more people coming into the video play and offering services, and also allowing people to be much more flexible in the way they consume. It's not about TV everywhere only, or consuming on many devices, but also being able to consume video in a different way. Obviously free video, but also pay video, but not only through a kind of subscription mode, but also I want to pick this event and I will only watch this event despite the fact that I might not be a consumer or a subscriber to a certain company, to a certain video provider. So we will see more and more flexibility, not only about devices, as I said, and the usage patterns, but also about the business model that will be in place in the industry.